Now, let us start with the next part of the chapter, P block elements. Today we will talk about allotropic forms of sulfur. Sulfur forms numerous allotropic forms. Most important being yellow rhombic, also known as alpha sulfur. This is the yellow rhombic sulfur. This is the stable form. And the second is monoclinic or beta sulfur. Here you can see the monoclinic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is yellow in color with melting point 385.8 Kelvin. Rhombic sulfur crystals are formed on evaporating the solution of roll sulfur in CS2. You can see the diagram here. It is insoluble in water but dissolves to some extent in benzene, alcohol and ether. It is readily soluble in CS2. Monoclinic sulfur. Its melting point is 393 Kelvin, soluble in CS2. This form of sulfur is prepared by melting rhombic sulfur in a dish and cooling till a crust is formed. Two holes are made in the crust. You can see the two holes being made here. Two holes are made in the crust and the remaining liquid is poured out. On removing the crust, you can see the needle-shaped crystals. It is stable above 369 Kelvin and transforms into alpha sulfur below this temperature. So this temperature is called transition temperature. So you can see here rhombic sulfur above 369 Kelvin will change into monoclinic sulfur and monoclinic below 369 Kelvin will change into rhombic sulfur. Both rhombic and monoclinic have S8 molecules. Look, this is the structure of S8 molecule. Along with it, several other modifications of sulfur containing 6 to 20 sulfur atoms per ring have been synthesized. This is another form having 6 sulfur atom. Here you can see many other forms of sulfur with various number of sulfur atoms. At elevated temperature, that is near about 1000 Kelvin, S2 is a dominant species which is paramagnetic like O2. Means, according to molecular orbital theory, it also contains unpaired electrons in anti-bonding pi molecular orbitals. Preparation of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is formed together with sulfur trioxide when sulfur is burnt in air or oxygen. In laboratory, it is readily prepared by treating a sulfite with dilute sulfuric acid. Industrially, it is prepared as a byproduct during roasting of sulfide ore. Properties of sulfur dioxide. It is a colorless gas with pungent smell, highly soluble in water. When passed through water, it forms H2SO3 sulfurous acid. Readily reacts with sodium hydroxide, forming Na2SO3, which on further reaction with SO2 gives us sodium hydrogen sulfide. It also reacts with chlorine in the presence of charcoal to form SO2Cl2. Readily gets oxidized by oxygen in the presence of a catalyst vanadium pentoxide to form sulfur trioxide. Moist sulfur dioxide behaves as a reducing agent. It reduces ferric ions to ferrous ions, and sulfur dioxide reaction with MnO4 negative means it reduces permanganate ions to Mn plus 2 ions. Uses of sulfur dioxide. Reducing agent used for bleaching. Large quantities of sulfur dioxide also used in contact process for the manufacture of sulfuric acid, used in bleaching of wool, straw, as a disinfectant. Liquid sulfur dioxide is also used in purifying petroleum products. Oxoacids of sulfur. Sulfur forms number of oxoacids having variable oxidation states of sulfur. Sulfurous acid, sulfuric, thiosulfuric, dithionous, dithionic, disulfuric or pyrosulfuric acid, peroxymonosulfuric acid, peroxodisulfuric acid and dithionic acid. So you should practice making the structure of all these acids, because as I told you earlier also, generally 2 marks questions from this chapter is to draw the structures of any compound. The most important oxo acid is sulfuric acid. It is prepared by contact process. It is prepared in 3 steps. First is burning of sulfur or sulfide ore in air to form sulfur dioxide. Then second is sulfur dioxide is converted to sulfur trioxide again by the reaction with oxygen in the presence of a catalyst, vanadium pentoxide. And the third step, sulfur trioxide is absorbed in sulfuric acid to form oleum. This happens in absorption tower. This oleum then on hydration gives us sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid thus obtained is 96 to 98% pure. Properties of sulfuric acid. It is colorless, dense, oily liquid, dissolves in water with evolution of large quantity of heat. So that's why whenever you are to form a dilute solution of sulfuric acid, then acid must be added very slowly into the water with constant stirring. It has low volatility, strong acidic character, strong affinity for water and ability to act as oxidizing agent. In aqueous solution, it ionizes in 2 steps. First, it will form hydrogen sulfate ion and then sulfate ion. The large value of Ka1 means H2SO4 is largely dissociated into H ions and HSO4 negative ion. The greater dissociation Ka2 also means the same. The greater value of Ka means that it is a strong acid. Because of its low volatility, it can be used to manufacture more volatile acids from their corresponding salts. For example, metal halides on reaction with sulfuric acid gives us hydrogen halides. These are the more volatile acids. Concentrated sulfuric acid is also a strong dehydrating agent. If you put concentrated sulfuric acid in sugar, the sugar will get charred. You will get carbon. Moisture will be removed. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid is a moderately strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes copper to copper sulfate, sulfur to sulfur dioxide and carbon to carbon dioxide. Uses. It is a very important industrial chemical. It is used in petroleum refining, manufacture of pigments, paints, dye stuff, detergent industry, metallurgical applications, storage batteries, manufacture of nitrocellulose products, and also as a laboratory reagent.